All right, traders, today we're going to do a little recap of our alerts as well as some of the top plays of the week. But before we get started, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so we can keep pushing out more content. So let's take a look at our small account channel and see some of the alerts. First off, we can see some previous swings closed at open, and then we move on to today's plays. Right off the bat, we have a couple QQQ plays, the first being a 284 put where we took small profits but decided to stop out on our runners. Next was a 288 call, which gave around 34% return in just under 10 minutes. And if we scroll down a bit, we can see that we held some runners for a 58% return. Another solid play was this Tesla call, which was originally alerted at 1.78 premium, but we were able to fill at 1.61. If we scroll down, you can see that we were able to sell some runners, and then at the highest point, we sold for 2.81 premium, and we're completely out at 2.56. So that just about covers the alerts for the small account channel for today. And you can also see the weekly recap from Elkin and Keon. Obviously, we see green check marks, which show our winning plays, some swing trades that are still active, as well as our losses. And these cover trades from the large account channel as well. It was a great week with many winning trades, some with smaller returns, but that's okay because our main goal is to be consistent with our wins rather than always betting huge and taking on lots of risk with the chance of losing big. Next, let's go ahead and look at Eva's alerts, who is one of our analysts. She's our third analyst, and as you can see, she absolutely killed it. She had 6 alerts returning over 100% and a 92.86% win rate. Absolutely crushing it as always. Now let's go ahead and check out some of our members' profits, and we'll do some shout outs because, we love seeing our active members posting their wins in the chat. Let's go there now. Here we can say Boost, $375, Biscuit, killing it. These are at the beginning of the week, so as we scroll down, you'll see them as we go throughout the week. Let's see, we can see Keon here, one of our analysts, obviously Executive Keon, killing it. Boost again, $350, and some more profits as we go down. So that's going to conclude today's video. Remember to start your 5-day free trial. You can visit owlsoptionstraders.com to learn more about our group and the tools we provide to help you succeed in the stock market. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.